Say happy birthday. Come on, you can do it. It's Andrew Co's birthday.
Happy birthday, Andrew Co.
Joyeux anniversaire Andrew Co.
Happy birthday, Andrew Co.
Happy birthday, Andrew Co.
Happy birthday, Andrew Co. Hope you will get to do all your favorite things.
Happy birthday to my friend Andrew Co.
Wishing you a very happy birthday from the tip of my tail to the end of my nose. And may all your dreams come true.
Breaking news. It's Andrew Co's birthday, again? How is that even possible? Didn't we just celebrate this last year? Stay tuned for a rundown on all the birthday party festivities.
Happy birthday, my friend Andrew Co.
Happy birthday, Andrew Co.
Happy birthday, Andrew Co.
Can you help me find Andrew Co's party?
Happy birthday, Andrew Co.
Happy birthday, Andrew Co.
Wait, what? You can talk? Please subscribe, give us a like, and leave a comment. Maybe tell me something special about your dogs. Now, let's get Andrew Co's party started.